Hey guys, Todd here, Value Customs. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you coming back watching. If you're new to the channel, welcome. All right, anyway, today we're going to do a really quick update on my 1968 GMC C1500, I guess it is. If you're a subscriber to the channel, you've seen the video where we introduced the truck. We got it running, we were driving, first wash in 27 years. The truck sat forever. Go back, watch that channel, or watch that video. Get caught up on what we got going on. If you're new to the channel, searching that. There is a playlist for just this truck or any other thing you want to watch on my channel. Anyway, okay, so today we're going to tell you what's going on with it. It's been out of the picture for a while. There's a reason for it. We did some updating to it. Some things changed on it. More things are going to change. Yeah. I'm going to show you what we did, and then I'm going to come back and show you where we're at. So, here you go. All right, you watched what happened there, and here it is today. My 68 GMC got a new heart transplant. I know some of you guys have messaged me when I first introduced this truck, and the first thing you said, don't put an LS in it, don't do this, don't do that, leave the truck alone. Well, I kind of like reliability, and yeah, although the mighty 6-cylinder ran okay, I wanted something more modern. So there it is. I'll flip this around so you can see. There's my 68 GMC. And yes, that is a 6-liter in there. It's paired up to, it is dirty. And if you saw just a minute ago where it came from, I didn't wash it. I didn't nothing. I just threw it in the truck. 6L90. Yes, that's a 6L90, 6-speed behind it. We bought the mounts. We bought all the stuff we needed to do it right. It's in there. I do have to adjust the height of the engine, but anyway, we'll get to that later. Now, we just got a whole bunch of parts in for the truck. and we're gonna start hitting this one real hard. We got we went crazy on the old Jungle website. Please send cash. My credit card is on fire again. It's not good. It's not good at all. But if we're gonna do it, we gotta have some parts. So we went crazy on the old Amazonian Jungle. We bought a bunch of stuff that we're trying to do it on a budget, but yeah, what's a budget? Anyway, so I'll show you what we got. We did pick up a new radiator and cooling fan setup. We hit the old evilenergy for all the goodies for the fuel system. This is the fuel rail that we'll be using on there. There's some new injectors in there, whatever. This engine came out of that van that you saw a minute ago. That van actually ran on propane. So we got some things we got to change. Actually, the only thing we really got to change is the injectors and the injector rail. And then the fuel line's going back. So anyway, we hit up Low Car for a nice shifter for our 6. I haven't even opened the box, haven't even looked at it. We'll get there when we get there. I did open up this box. This is our top of the line, best thing you can buy on eBay. I'm sure there's some blems of some sort. I don't remember the brand. We did pick up some suspension stuff. Now, if you watched previously, I did get some CPP lowering spindles and stuff. The truck is a lot lower now than what it was. But we did notice a problem when I was putting that together. I didn't point it out on the last video. I kind of just went past it, but it is a problem. The lower control arm on the passenger side of that truck is bent. This was a farm truck. This was used in the fields doing what trucks are supposed to do back in the day. Now they're just like family ride luxury cars. That was an actual worked farm truck, and the suspension shows it. Lower control arm is bent backwards. It created some issues when I tried to align it, and when I tried to put this fancy sway bar system on it, or not, yeah, sway bar, tried to put this on there, you can't put it on because it's bent. So we hit up the old, I believe this was eBay on this one, and we got ourselves some new tubular control arms. So we will be getting them swapped out. That's the uppers and lowers in them 2 boxes. What else do we got? Let's go look in the back of the truck. Back of the truck, we got more. So, well, obviously we got the hood back here. We did hit up PSI for all of our wiring needs. And we are also, what do we got in here? Oh, fancy wiring harness. PSIconversion.com. Quality. That's some good stuff right there. We got a water outlet over here. We got some miscellaneous stuff. Okay. And we are going to use, if you're wondering, we are going to use PSI for our computer. We're going to send that computer in and get that programmed up for us. We also, if you know anything about this stuff, we got to take the controller out of the transmission, out of this 6L90. We got to take that out and send that in as well. They got a couple things to tweak on that. But anyway, that's what we got coming up. That's what we're going to do. Just wanted to get on here and make a quick update. Make sure you subscribe so you get notified when we start getting some of this stuff hung on that truck and that truck hits the road again. So, like I said, just a quick update. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. And as always, take care. God bless. And get out there in that garage. Get one thing done every day. The progress will come. All right, take care.